Hey guys, so a quick video for you on how you can connect your Alienware laptop to Wi-Fi. So it's super simple. You just go to the bottom right and there you're going to find a Wi-Fi, or it's going to be some kind of like button, and you're going to have Wi-Fi. And what you need to do is that you're going to have like the Wi-Fi right here, and what you need to do is when you're going to find it, you are just going to click here connect, and automatically you're going to connect to it. And then when you're going to connect, it's going to ask for you the password, and that's it. So that's how you're going to do it. I will show you again. So you're going to go to bottom right, Wi-Fi. There you're going to like disconnect and connect again. So that's it, how you're going to do it. So thank you very much and have a great day. So you're going to go Wi-Fi, disconnect, and you're going to have like connect here. You just connect to it.